Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create PolyBuzz account. So PolyBuzz is a free, private and unlimited AI chat platform. So in order to create the account, what you have to do is launch open PolyBuzz application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here PolyBuzz application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here at top, you'll be able to find the option for login or sign up. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the login or sign up interface. If you do not have the account yet, your account will be automatically created. You can see over here, you can either continue with Google or enter the email address. Here I'm just going to enter the email address. So provide your email address. After that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, a verification code will be sent to your email. Simply open Gmail. Make sure you're logged into the same account. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. PolyBuzz has sent me the email, so simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the verification code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to the application. Now enter that code over here. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter the personal information. First of all, enter the username. Tap on the field of username and enter the username over here. You can see over here username will be automatically filled from your Gmail. So you can edit it if you want. Also select the gender. Also make sure to select the birthday. Simply tap on the field of birthday. Now you can see over here you'll be able to select the month, day and year. After you're done, tap on the option I certify this information is accurate. Now tap on the confirm option. Now you can see over here your birthday can only be edited once. Simply tap on the confirm option. Now you can also add the bio if you want. It is completely optional. Now after you're done providing the personal information, tap on the option get started that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your account will be created. So that is how you create PolyBuzz account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.